Let's build any web app with AI just from command line using Gemini command line tool. Create web application EMI calculator. You just need to type Gemini-I to start Gemini in interactive mode on command line and paste your prompt in this window. Here you can see that we are creating a simple web application to calculate the EMIs for home loans, and we have given all the requirements as an spec. Okay, now we can sit down, relax and take a sip of coffee while the AI will generate all the code for us. Okay, so you can see here that the AI has created all the steps to write the code and executing one by one each of the step. So first AI is creating the package.json, which is primarily the dependencies, and then it's creating a banks.json to create all the interest rate details for the different banks. It's collecting all that information and putting that into a static JSON, which the application is going to use to populate automatically all the interest rates. Now it's generating the code, the core backend logic in Node.js for calculating the EMI. Backend code is complete. Now it's moving to create the UI, especially the views, and you can see here that it's creating all the different HTML related code and JavaScript code, which is going to be rendered on the front end, and it's finally preparing the results. And you can see now the AI has generated the package.json, server.js, banks.json and all the views file, and now validating that all the dependencies are correct or not. And if it finds that anything is wrong, then it goes and corrects automatically. So you don't need to struggle with any kind of errors here. It will automatically figure out that it's a Windows operating system, how the directory structure and everything has to be created, and all the dependencies need to be installed. Now let's check the application. Wow. We got the complete application generated here from command line, and now we can see how to install the dependencies. So it's going to install all the dependencies here, and now we are going to start the application. And now let's go to check out the application, lights, camera, action, and we will see here on the browser, our application is fully working and running. We can just test the application by typing the loan amount, selecting the bank. Automatically the interest rate is selected. Now we are providing the loan tenure, selecting years versus months, and then from which date we need to start the loan. Now we are going to click calculate EMI, and we'll see the complete schedule is generated here. You can see on top the monthly EMI, total interest and total payment information is also there. You can download this information as a CSV, and you can see at the bottom you will have an option to calculate the EMI again. So you can click on that and you will see again the application. So here you got a full working application. If you want to know more interesting AI related stories and how to use the different AI tools, you can join the developers community by subscribing the channel, and we are going to bring a lot of interesting videos for you.